Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the Emoji keyboard so you can access icons instantly. Go to Settings, tap General, then Keyboard. Add the Emoji keyboard if it isn't already listed. Once added, open WhatsApp and tap a chat to force the keyboard to appear. Make sure the globe or emoji icon shows up next to the spacebar. If you see it, you're ready. This step grants the app permission to use the keyboard and prevents delays when switching to emoji. Now learn how to insert emoji smoothly in WhatsApp messages. Tap the globe or smiley icon to switch to the emoji keyboard. Once switched, browse categories or swipe to find the right emoji, or use the built-in search field where available. Tap any emoji to add it to your message input. You can mix emoji with text or send emoji alone for emphasis. Make sure to preview the message, then hit send. Your emoji will display correctly to most recipients. Finish by using advanced tips and a key troubleshooting move. You can use predictive emoji suggestions that appear above the keyboard as you type words, which speeds selection. Update iOS and WhatsApp regularly to receive the newest emoji set. If emoji do not appear, try deleting and re-adding the emoji keyboard in settings, then restart the phone to refresh input methods. If problems persist, make sure WhatsApp and iOS are on compatible versions. That usually resolves display or input errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.